our beloved principal, Teacher Tess Despi. Teacher Fatty Gomez, and to the Superman of our school, Teacher Lyle. Honored guest, Ma'am Nancy A. Morada, Mr. Christian Eman, Sarate, Chairman of the School Board, classmates, friends, dear parents, a pleasant afternoon to all. It is a great pride and honor to introduce someone who is not only worthy of emulation because of her with a big very achievements, but also she is indeed a person with a big heart, very accommodating, approachable, helpful, and most of all, she will personally greet you. With a sweet smile as you enter her office. Today she is here with us to grace us with her presence. Our dear guest speaker is a shining example of hard work and brilliance. She graduated cum laude, earning the degree Bachelor of Arts and Sciences major in political sciences, a research master's in public administration with distinction award, Doctor of Education with distinction award, Doctor of Philosophy, major in behavioral management with distinction, Bachelor of Juris Doctor, Bachelor of Laws Juris Doctor. Perhaps we ask her what her greatest accomplishment is she will tell you.
Read na read. Continue. Continue reading.